Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Michelle over at Glamour Has No Age. Well, I have some new things. I'm gonna test out this Natasha Denona ROXA palette. I need to make sure I have sensitive eyes, and I need to make sure that I don't have an allergic reaction to it. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone. But here we are, and we're gonna use it. I have my MAC paint pot. This is in Painterly. It matches my skin tone. You see me looking down this way, there's a mirror down there. Eyes are primed. Put my cap back on. Let's figure out how we're going to use this. I'm going to stick mainly to the purples. I'm going to take this Refa Shoto number 3. I am gonna go into Velour. It's a light purple, purpley. I'm gonna put that. Alright, not bad. I'm trying to make this look as good as possible because a lot of the colors are very bright. I'm gonna take this Refa 14 mini. I am gonna go into Eclipse, which is right here, and put that in my outer V. Back in a little bit more. I'm just building it up. Like purple. I have my wing gloss E1. It's like an all-over blender. You don't need... This is a natural hairbrush, a goat hair. You don't need something like this. You can take, you want something this size, but you can take a vegan synthetic brush and do that. I'm gonna take my Sonia G shader. I'm gonna use Flutter all over the lid. And what is Flutter? It's one of her wet effect shadows. Very pretty Flutter. I bought the Instant Firm X Temporary Eye Tightener for Thomas Roth. It's a mini. I had the big one before. It works. It does work. However, I'm experimenting with it this time. I'm going to use my Dior concealer, put a little bit on the palette, and mix some of it in. I had the big one before and it went bad. It was just too big for what you use it for, you know? So I suggest if you get it, get the mini. I just took the tiniest amount. We'll see if it works with the concealer. You know? I hope it does. You're supposed to give it like 5 to 7 minutes, and you're supposed to sit there and have your face remain expressionless. We'll see. We'll see if it, well, the way I applied it, I don't know if it's gonna work because I mixed it in with my liquid concealer, and it doesn't say that you can do that, so I'm just testing it out. It works on this side. For a base, I have the Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. I'm in the shade number 4. Let's hope my shade matched right. Use my mirror. I think I did a good job with the color. Usually I'm afraid of color. But I think I like this. Color in 2025 is making a comeback. The color is darker than what I would usually go with. The purple with color for eyes. I'm gonna stay with a neutral kind of base, cheek and lip. I have this color Behave. I have the L'Oreal Lumi Glass highlighter stick, and this is in Glassy Pearl Eclat. Looks like the it was lifting my foundation. So we're going to have to find a new way to apply it next time before they get given away. Alright, we need a lip. This Fenty lip gloss. It's the holiday one. It's a pretty pink. That would go nice with this. And that's it. My purpley pink look. I know I'm not dressed for a purpley pink look, but so far so good with the Natasha Denona palette. I like it. I amazed myself I was able to control the pigment. Normally I have dark eyes all over the place, but I can embrace color now. So it's coming 2025 color. Well, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.